Huge news for Kaspa yesterday as they finally got a major centralized exchange listing. Kraken announced a spot listing, and so we're going to test it out in this video. Please note, nothing I say is financial advice. This is for education and entertainment purposes only. If we go to CoinGecko, you can see currently Kaspa sitting at number 35 overall with a $4 billion market cap. If we take a look at the chart on TradingView, you can see that it has pumped a little bit with the recent news of the Kraken listing. The Kraken spot listing is a huge deal because it finally makes it easy for US-based Kaspa investors to buy it, which has not been the case up until now. Hopefully this is the beginning. We'll see more major centralized exchanges like Coinbase and Binance listed as well. This is a huge step in the right direction for Kaspa and anybody that has been investing in it throughout 2024. You can now spot buy Kaspa on both Kraken Pro as well as the Kraken Exchange. Let's take a quick look at Kraken Pro. Let's click right here and then let's click on newly listed. Here's KAS USD pair, so let's click on that. With Kraken Pro, you can now easily spot trade Kaspa. Just enter your quantity, go ahead and buy it here. So this is one option, and then you could also just use the Kraken Exchange. And this is if you're gonna simply buy it and maybe pull it off, which is what I typically do. So if you want to actively trade Kaspa, then Kraken Pro is a great option. If you want to just buy and hold, then the Kraken Exchange is probably the way to go. So let's check it out. So I'm logged into my Kraken account. I'm on Explore. Let's go to newly listed, and then you can see right here, here's Kaspa. So this is great to see it on a major exchange finally. It's been a long time coming for many Kaspa investors. I think this is just the beginning with Kraken, but this is huge. So let's go ahead and buy some just to test it out. Click on buy, and we'll just say $15, and it says that's approximately 89 KAS, and I'm going to click review. So we're going to get 88 KAS for that amount. It'll take a 23-cent fee, and we'll click on confirm. And there we go, successfully bought 88 KAS. View the transaction. Here's the details of the transaction. Let's go to my portfolio, and you can see there is the Kaspa we just bought. So after buying Kaspa on Kraken, now that it's so easy, what I would do is I would pull my Kaspa off to a Tangem wallet. Tangem is my favorite cold wallet for storing Kaspa. If you go to their website, you can order one here. They're super easy to use. They're a lot easier to use than Ledger, in my opinion, and it's personally where I do store all of my Kaspa. So to pull Kaspa off of Kraken, what you do is go to withdraw. It'll take you to this transfer page. You're going to select your asset that you want to pull off the exchange, which in this case is Kaspa. It says no Kaspa, withdraw address found. So what you do is click here, add Kaspa address. Next, you would simply paste your Tangem wallet Kaspa receive address right here. So you'd log into your Tangem wallet, go to Kaspa, click receive. You'd paste your Tangem wallet Kaspa receive address right here. You would add the withdrawal address, and it's that simple. I highly recommend doing that no matter where you buy Kaspa, taking it off the exchange and storing it on a Tangem hardware wallet. But again, this is huge news. Having Kaspa now on Kraken, a major centralized exchange, opens it up to US-based investors that have not really been able to access it without using a VPN or other methods. It's now super simple, and so this is a great thing for the Kaspa community. Hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more crypto tutorials. See you in the next one.